15 Central Park West, New York City, New York, United States. Dakino Monaco Incorporated. Floor area, 325 square meters, 3,500 square feet. Program, interior design and architectural remodeling of an existing apartment. Ceiling heights, 3 meters, 10 feet. Rooms, gallery, living, library/dining, family room, 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, kitchen, breakfast room, laundry and powder room. Ventilation, low airspeed ceiling plenums. Sound attenuation, floor and ceiling insulation, acoustically detached walls and acoustically heavily insulated mechanical equipment, also vibration insulated. Green features, good insulation, glass with low solar entrée and motor-operated translucent screens for all windows. Dakino Monaco designed apartment at 15 Central Park West is colorful and whimsical. The focus of the interior design and architectural remodeling of this apartment on Central Park West was style and color. The clients were seeking a varied experience with memorable rooms. By eliminating service quarters and rearranging the kitchen, the designers created a spacious backdrop for a new collection of modern art and fine furnishings. The project became an artistic dialogue between the designers, their clients and a number of artisans. The Foyer Moldings were created in collaboration with designers Moss and Lamb to establish a sculptural identity for the entrance, removing all traces of the original pre-war style crown molding. This set the tone and style for the apartment, blending 20th century Italian and French antiques with modern sculptural artworks. A sculpture by Richard Artschwager that was originally intended for the wall became a ceiling piece in the family room, and is balanced by a gravity-defying storage wall on chrome springs that was created by the designers. In a similar manner, a sensuous lucite sculpture by Jim Shaw doubles as a unique coffee table in the living room. The designer's love for all things 1940s, particularly Italian designs from this period, is expressed in the extensive use of Fornetti wallpaper in the kitchen, breakfast room and laundry. Although each room is unique, a playful dialogue between art and design brings the apartment together as a whole. Every single room is a treat to the senses, with bold splashes of color and unusual finishing touches combined to create a living space as cozy as it is quirky. Although a few of the rooms pay homage to a slightly more classic aesthetic, unique choices in light fixtures, artwork, and floor coverings provide just the right amount of whimsy to make it clear this apartment is anything but traditional. Some of our favorite design choices, the geometrically shaped crown molding in the foyer reminiscent of a childhood folded paper fortune teller game, the curious circular patterned eye and face-themed wallpaper in the eating area, the very red room, and, although each piece of overhead lighting is a work of art unto itself, the jacks-like fixture hovering above the green wall adorned with baby photos simply makes us smile. Who knows, perhaps we've hit upon some of Carl Dakino and Francine Monaco's design inspirations.
Subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates on more projects. Thanks as always. See you in the next video.